Hello, DeAndre. How are you today, honey baby?
Good.
Are you eating ice pop?
Yeah.
Wow. You like your shoes? Let me see your shoes. Whoa, they're cute. Wow. Angelica, you going for your shoes? Wow. What color you're eating in ice pop? What color is that?
Green.
Green? That's probably tastes good. Does it taste good?
It just tastes like the natural ice pop.
Okay. Yes, Angelica, no. Come. Come, baby, come.
Does anybody like my shoes?
Whoa. They are hot. Let me see your bike.
What?
Let me see your bike. Ooh. Wow. That's very nice. Oh. She's so
Do you
cute.
know how to ride bicycles with no training wheel? Because I love the snow and training wheel. With no training wheel. But if you let the kids don't try the training wheels are gonna be dangerous, you're going to fall.
Wow.
But
Woo.
when you're on growing up, your father's gonna take on your training wheels
Yes.
so you can know how to practice.
Yes. That's your shoes? The wrong foot. Yeah, that's the correct foot. You're right.
And-
Wow.
And look what
Those are cute. Yes.
Don't ride bicycles in the house because you know your bicycle is gonna be really dirty, and you can't ride it in the house. But always ask your parents. If they say no, don't do it. But right now, since I'm doing the video, I'm just riding my bicycle. I'm inside the house. But don't try it or you're going to break a window. Just do it like this. And guys, if you know how to ride a bicycle with no train wheels, first you have to do this and then do this. And if you guys know how to do it, you guys should do it.
Wow.
And if you guys not want to do it, just ask your father to put back in the training wheels. I don't put back in my training wheels. And guys, if you bump into don't ride your bicycles on the road because cars is going to hit you. And don't come to Georgia because Georgia is bad. It is people don't know how to drive. So never walk on the road or where the house is. Don't ever walk on the streets because it's gonna be super dangerous. Even don't ride bicycles on the street like what I'm doing the first time when I was in New Jersey. I was riding on the streets and riding all over the place and don't ride a little bit slow because
You want to wash your hands? Okay.
Don't. Don't, guys, don't ride slowly on the road with your on. Don't ride slowly on the parking lot on the. Because if you walk, if tell it to me. If you walk close, if you walking, if you're riding your bicycle slow, really slow, like a slow poke. Now tap in, you're going to fall down the floor and don't know how to get up in the parking lot. But you always need protection. And don't talk to any strangers because it's gonna be dangerous. Ask your parents first. Can you play outside? Or if a strangers come in, go back in the house, close the door.
Okay.
And guys, you know how to do this. And guys, you know how to do this. Like, you lift up your bicycle. Like, when you're big, you can do this. And you ride a bicycle. And when you get frightened, you just have to go down like this. You see? But you can't do that because it's going to be dangerous. You're going to fall down. If you're adult, you can't do that. But if you ride like this, on the chair like this, reverse, and just do this, that's going to be dangerous in the house. But you have to go on the streets to ride your bicycle because you don't want the walls to mess up and you don't want to hit anybody in the leg to go to the doctors. So if you have the kids, don't try this inside the house. But only thing, I asked my parents. I tell my parents can I ride it and my bicycle, even she can play with some basketball or something that's more energized. But guys, did you ever try out the helicopter? I'm going to sell it to someone that's wanted. If you guys want it, you can have it. But it's big for adults because it's going to hit your eyes on something. So if you're kids, don't try this helicopter out because I know it to kill you. Because I know it to kill you. Even helicopters have lives, but you can't buy a children's helicopter, you know? Even you can do that in your bicycle, but right now, let's talk about the helicopter. The helicopter is much better. It can fly, and it can come down to you and then don't buy this helicopter because you're going to see these wires and the light, and you're going to see this is for the thing to do this, and this is the spinning thing, so it can more stronger. But if the air comes, you're going to see it's going to fly away to the astronaut. It's going to fly away way to astronaut.
Oh, baby, come here. Okay, buddy.
Okay.
Oh, baby.
But Mommy, let me do the video. But if you guys do this, you're gonna see this helicopter. It's natural, but you guys don't do this because you see, it's gonna bug your eyes like this. It's going to kill you. So never try out to. If you're a kid, don't ever try out this helicopter. But sometimes I don't try it out because don't buy these blue helicopter. Don't even steal it from someone because it's not going to work. You see? Even this part is not going to work. So what should you do? You have to just turn on the light, and if you see the light, that means that's your helicopter. So if don't try this out because it's gonna kill you. But buy a little kids one. And guys, if you have an Apple phone, I'm going to buy an iPhone and sell it out so you can and tomorrow I'm going to sell this helicopter. So if anybody wants it, you can come and get it. And you can just and I'm going to show you guys this and my orange bicycle.
Yes, baby.
I'm going to show my orange bicycle. It's brand new, but you have to buy it. And guys, I will sell the cars. I'm going to sell you the game section. And who plays Fortnite is going to get this helicopter 100 V-Bucks for this. But I don't know how much V-Bucks is going to be. But if somebody's watching my video, go and subscribe to DeAndre channel and just look online what clothes you want. Because tomorrow I'm gonna sell my clothes, the tight clothes.
That's it?
No.
Say thank you.
No,
Say thank you for watching my video.
no, it's not done yet.
Say please subscribe to my video.
You subscribe to my video.